Yeah, that's it, Barbas, indeed, bro. 100%, my man. Thank you for this. Appreciate the feedback, bro, a lot. A little bit of extra cinnamon on that. I like that on my red cabbage and apple. Not everybody likes it, but I love it. Oh my God. I'm so sorry to hear that, Lady Athena. Wowzers, darling. Oh my God, stay strong. Give me a big boy hug. Wowzers. I'm so sorry to hear that. Big boy hugs and all the love and strength I can send and positivity I want to send you. Oh my gosh, wowzers. Boy. Wowzers. Much love, Lady Athena. Okay, we're gonna get the red cabbage on there. Okay, I didn't hear that a lot, that you had more control with induction. Yeah, maybe for you then, Rave Spurn, but I was starting with a lot of chefs and a lot of students and people where I cooked with in the past. But most of them always said, like, yes, you can play with way more than with induction. And I cooked a few times on induction at my mama-in-law's place, but man, it can go way hard, way too fast. So the control is not really there in my opinion, but that's for everyone themselves, of course, Rave. But that's as well with the people where I work with, they said that, you know, for everybody that's different, but induction can go way too hard, way too fast, and with gas you can play really fast if you like. But if you pull your pan off the induction, it's another story, of course. Oh, Journey, hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining, champ. Oh, good stuff.